Miss Porkington was wealthy, Miss Porkington was healthy, but Miss Porkington was very, very fat.
Fond of pastry like all women, she discarded them for slimming and did daily exercises on the mat.
But reducing drastically became a bore.
One day her butler phoned the pastry store.
Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. She'd like them nice and juicy as before.
No, madam isn't slimming anymore.
Miss Porkington would like cream puffs.
Orange juice and rabbit's food she now rebuffs.
She says she's tired of trying to touch her toes and lying flat. Miss Porkington has fallen for the count of tit for tat.
And as she heard him say he likes a little bit of fat.
Oh, Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. She's finished now with dieting pro tem.
She'll never be as slender as a stem.
Miss Porkington would like cream puffs.
And enjoy herself when she sits down and stuffs.
She had a tete-a-tete last night with duckling and green peas. The count of tit for tat, of course, put Madam at her ease.
He gallantly implied that skinny women cut his knees.
Oh, Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. Miss Porkington is gorging and she knows what she's about. The Count is fond of women like balloons, there is no doubt.
One night she's going to show him all the parts that she's filled out.
Oh, Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. She visited the cattle show, a whim of hers somehow. She heard a farmer saying, how be judge, I do allow.
There ain't no better sight to see than some nice big fat cow.
Oh, Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. Porkington would like cream puffs. Miss Porkington would like cream puffs. For some of that lost overweight, she sobs.
Her figure's full of lumps and bumps and knobs.
Miss Porkington would like cream puffs.
In addition to the jam and currant duffs.
She padded up her figure when she went to lunch in town. She's padding here and padding there all underneath her gown.
But getting on a jerky bus, her padding all slipped down.
Oh, Miss Porkington would like cream puffs.